So here's everyone.
Hi. Hello.
All right.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, so we got to see us, which is good.
All right, hello everyone. My name is Tomas Aguilar. Today I'll be demonstrating how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to start, I'm going to do the white side first. That's the first layer. This is the second layer. This is the third layer. It's all broken up, so there's steps to everything. For the first layer, I'm going to solve the white cross first. And I'm going to have their corresponding sides go with the centers of each side. So to start this, I'm going to find a white edge. This is white and green, so I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to pull this down so that the two edges are meeting each other. I'm simply just going to raise it up so you can see that it matches with the cross. Now I have white and red over here, so I'm going to move this over so that I can simply pull it up, and that's the second side of the white cross. Next, I'm going to have the white and blue right here. So it's already meeting over here, but I have to rotate it out so that I can pull it up. Now the blue is matching. I can just pull it up. And now I have this right here. And next I have white and red, and I can just pull that right up. Over here, I have the white and orange side. So I'm going to have this over. I'm going to pull it up, and then rotate this back. And now I have the white cross. And as you can see, all of the edges are corresponding. And the corners, it's very similar. I have red and green right here. So you know that's going to go in this slot between the green and red sides. Now I can just move this out of the way so I can pull it down and then over. And as you can see, the white is corresponding and the red sides. So now this corner is in the right place. Now over here, I have the blue and red. So exactly the same as this one, except the white side's on the bottom. So I'm gonna have to pull it over, down, right, and then up. And as you can see, that rotated the corner. And now I'm just gonna move it out of the way, down, back over, and up. And now it's in the correct spot. So just like before, this is green and orange right here. I'm gonna put that in the green and orange side. So I'm gonna move it out of the way so I can pull down this side without messing anything up, and then move it straight back over and up so that it's matching. Now I have the orange and blue side, so exact same as before. I'm gonna move it out of the way, down, back over, and up, and the entire white side is solved. Now for the second layer, we're going to be instituting an algorithm. So that is going to be a set of steps needed to achieve a goal. Just with anything, coding, I mean, it's all the same. So I'm gonna look for the side. It's gonna be red and green right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna match it with the middle piece. Then I'm gonna move it out of the way, pull the left side down, back over and up. And just like in the first layer, I'm gonna be putting the white corner in the right spot. So I'm gonna move it out of the way, down, over, and up, and these edges in the right place. Now I have a orange and blue side. So just like I did before, I'm gonna put it on the orange side, move it out of the way, down, over, and up. And then I'm gonna be putting the corner back in the same place, over, down, right, and up. And that's the second side in. Now I have orange and green. So I'm gonna match it up with the bottom, move it over, down, right, and up, and then put the corner back in the same spot. And I have one edge left, which is the red and blue side. So I'm gonna match the bottom over here, pull it over, down, right, and up, and then put the corner back in the same spot. And that's the second layer completed. So for the last layer, I have 4 algorithms that I'm gonna do to solve this. Just like in the first layer, I'm gonna do the cross, and then I'm gonna turn those crosses into the right orientation so that the edges match the side that they go with. And then I'm gonna do the corners. Corners are gonna go in the right place, and then those corners are gonna be turned so that the third layer is solved without messing up any of the other layers. So the first algorithm is pretty simple. I'm just going to do that over and over again until the cross is made. So I'm going to flip the front, right, up, right, down, left, and that puts everything in the right place. I'm going to find what two edges correspond. So I have blue and orange right here. So this is where I flip the edges to the right place. I'm going to move it up, down, over, right, and the edges are all in the right place. So for these corners, all the corners are in the right place, obviously, because they're the last four pieces. However, I have to put those corners in the right place and then solve. So I'm going to see if any of these corners are in the right place. So I have the red and green right here. I'm going to do an algorithm to put them in the right place. It looks like it messed up, so super simple fix. And blue and red. So this algorithm is super simple. Just have to do it over and over again and practice to memorize it. But this third layer is almost done. So as you can see now, these two corners are in the right place. All I have is two corners left, and the gold sides are oriented facing the right. So all it takes is one more algorithm and it's going to be good. Just like before, solving the last layer, and boom, it is solved. So thank you all for joining. I hope you've all learned something today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you so much. And I have to show the audience one more time, just to make sure everyone is here. Thank you all for joining.